So I'm using this garage door lube. What's really cool about this can is it has two ways to use it. First way, you could use it with the straw like this and get a long distance spray like that. Or if you need to do it close up, you could fold it in like this and get a close up, get it really in there like this. Now my garage starts to make noise if I don't grease it up, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray everything where the metal touches the metal up here on the track. So I'm gonna go over here, make sure I spray that good. Get it all down there. And now we're gonna do the other side. We're gonna go from here. Make sure there's nothing that you care about under it. Make sure your cars are out of the garage because it's gonna drip and it could leave like an oil mark. But this hose makes it perfect so you could stand here, spray it without it getting everywhere. Get those bearings, get the whole thing. And also you wanna get the chain up here too. So now we're gonna open and close it a couple times, let the grease and the oil get in there and lubricate it. So now with it down, we're gonna get the chain. Lubricate that chain, and this spring here also, that makes noise too. And then while the garage door is down, we're gonna spray this track one more time. Get it in there good. And now also these are metal connections too, where it folds. Get a little bit of oil in there on these too. All of this is metal connections where it's going to be folding in. Just try. You don't got to go crazy, just try to get most of them. Open it up again. Now it's starting to get a lot more quieter when we shut it. Still getting some creaks and groans. Make sure that chain's good. Then also the creaks and groans are going to be coming from these connections over here. So let's make sure we get those. There we go. It's much quieter. Now you just got to let it go in, let it go up and down a couple times, and you're good.